Tornado warning, hang on.
Tornado warning number 4.
Make that 61 EAS alerts. Yay, I've exceeded 60.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for West Central Lincoln
Yep, it
County,
matched the
Southeast
description.
Arkansas, Southwestern Jefferson County and Southeast Arkansas, Southeastern Dallas County and Southwest Arkansas, Northern Cleveland County and Southeast Arkansas, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 2 miles northwest of Fordyce. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Russin, Grays Lake, Fordyce, Toledo, Nebo, Kingsland, Kedron, Feeneyville, Yorktown, Terry, Saves, Randall, Canebridgen, Palmyra, Rat, Ivan, Griffith Spring, Glen Lake. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 41 and 46. A